Hello, my dear Sagittarius. Welcome back dito sa Practical Mystic. Ngayon ay alamin natin kung ano ang nais iparating sa iyo na mensahe mula sa Pong May Kapal para sa buwan ng Disyembre. Gamit itong mga tarot cards na ito at saka oracle cards. By the way, ang session na ito ay isa po lamang pangkalahatan na reading, no? This is not a one-to-one reading. So, ang gawin mo ay kukunin mo lang kung ano yung mensahe na nag-resonate sa iyo personally gamit ang iyong intuition habang binabasa ko ang mga ito using my intuition also. So, let's dive in. Ang pinakaunang card ay mula sa Lightseer Tarot deck. This is Hierophant. Hierophant. The Hierophant is number 5. Siguro lucky number mo is number 5. Hierophant is the first arcana card in this reading. Kung nakikita mo, yung posisyon ng lalaki na ito ay yung pang yoga position. This is the lotus position for yoga. Not to finish. Okay, gumagalaw-galaw muna ako kasi parang nawala yung connection. Okay, so babalik ako. Again, this is the Hierophant. Ibig sabihin, makakatanggap ka ng mensahe mula sa universe. Isa itong downloads mula sa universe. Papanaog siya or bababa papunta sa iyo, matatanggap mo itong downloads na ito mula sa universe sa pamamagitan lamang ng meditation, okay? Kasi the moment na nag-meditate tayo, that's the time na parang tahimik ang paligid. Hindi mo maiisip kung ano ang kaguluhan na mangyari sa paligid. Hindi mo yun maiisip. Kasi kapag hindi mo maiisip ang kaguluhan mula sa iyong paligid, maiisip mo na lang bigla itong creative downloads na nagmula sa universe. Okay? So, ang payo sa iyo is dapat kang mag-meditate. Sit like this one, the lotus position, and meditate so that you can receive the message from the universe. And that's it. Hierophant means this is about receiving downloads from the universe. Okay? Next is the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is saying na balance yung heart chakra mo, wala kang dapat ikapangamba. You're very creative, no, in expressing something. Ang iba sa inyo ay makakatanggap ng mga proposals na may kinalaman sa pag-ibig or sa negosyo, business offers, or makakatanggap ng invitation ang iba sa inyo something to take action, no? Just like being the knight riding in the horse, no? Who's willing to take action. And of course, dahil activated itong heart chakra mo, ibig sabihin, you are just doing something according to the desires of your heart, diba? And being the Knight of Cups is, it is showing that you are magiting, no? Isang magiting na mandirigma, matapang. At the same time, gentleman, if you are a masculine energy. And the cups are, of course, the emotional water energy. And isa kang matapang na tao, at the same time charming ka naman, so you're able to balance your strength being the knight, bilang mandirigma, at the same time very loving, no, since you have activated chakra. And because you are loving, you are affable to anybody else, very sociable, and you are gentle, you are lovable and loving as a person. Okay, maganda ito para sa iyo. And you have here the Ace of Pentacles, no? The Ace of Pentacles na negative. The Ace of Pentacles is saying that do not let distractions cause you to spend too much money or energy. Just choose well who is at your side and observe those who profess to be friends. You need to plan, study, and prepare. There's a lot of work to do. Ibig sabihin, maging maingat ka sa mga tao sa iyong paligid, kasi may mga taong maaring magtangkang sirain ka at traidorin ka, no? Bibiguin ka sa iyong negosyo. You need to look for those whom you can be trusted, no? And at the same time, wag kang magpadala sa mga distraction sa mga distractions na nakaka-provoke sa iyo na gastahin mo yung pera, no? So do not be tempted. Please do not be tempted. Just a practical advice for you. And you have the Queen of Swords. Wow, ang ganda naman. The Queen of Swords, you are very powerful. Double confirmation ito sa itong the Knight of Cups. Matapang ka, at the same time very sociable, lovable person. Pero ikaw ito dito sa Queen of Swords na matapang ka intellectually din, no? Since the swords are about mental air energy, they are mental air energies, and you're the queen here. You just sit there, komportable kang nakaupo dyan, pero handang-handa ka sa laban, no? Kampante kang nakaupo dito, habang laging handa ka naman, no? Kampante ka din naman lalaban kapag may hindi inaasahang pag-atake ng mga kaaway, no? So hindi ka basta-basta na umuupo lang dyan na makampante masyado, no? You are still ready, no? Because you have the sword with you, and you are thinking beyond, no? nakabantay yung mata mo. Tapos, kung nakikita mo itong dalawang tali dito, no? Ito ay sumusumbolo sa antena. Antena na ang direction ay dito, paharap. So, ibig sabihin, yung antena kasi, ang trabaho ng antena is parang detector, no? Dumidetect siya, parang radar na ini-espiya niya yung kanyang paligid. Baka kasi may paparating na mga kalaban na handang umatake. So, nandyan yung antena niya, nakaharap, no? Nagde-detect sa mga papa-attacking mga laban, okay? And she can still handle the situation because at the same time may mga babala dito, no? Yung mga boundaries na tinatayo niya para sa kanyang sarili for further protection naman. Okay, maganda ito. Talagang napakaganda kasi komportable siya nakaupo. So, relax siya masyado. At the same time, handa naman siya sa mga paparating na laban. And then, habang may espada siya dyan na makakatulong sa kanya sa oras ng laban, meron siyang antena dito na dumidetect sa mga kalaban na may planong pag-atake. Okay? Itong nagsisilbing antena or radar habang siya ay namamahingad dyan. Sitting pretty sa kanyang upuan bilang isang Queen of Swords. Wow, ang ganda. I love it. I love it for you, my dear Sagittarius. And next is perfect. Sana all. Kagaya ka rin ni Leo na sa season na ito, you deserve also to be happy. Wow. Ang ganda talaga ng Sun card. This is also an arcana card, no? This is the second arcana card that you have here in this reading. Number 19 could be your lucky number. So, itry mo lang itaya sa lasto or loto. And this is saying na napakabalanse talaga ng solar plexus chakra mo. This is actually double confirmation dito sa Queen of Swords. Tingnan mo naman, di ba? Napakakampante niya. So, she's very confident, no? May tiwala siya sa kanyang sarili. She's so powerful. She's enough, no? She had everything, she has everything that she needs, no? Napakakampante niya. So, nangangahulugan na talagang balanse at aktibo ang kanyang solar plexus chakra. Okay? And this is you're very positive. Meron kang masaya ka kasi parang nakakaramdam ka ng kalayaan, masyadong masayahin ka kasama yung mga kaibigan mo, and or the sun could mean na successful ka sa iyong career, no? Still you're able to overcome despite na merong mga tangkang paninira sa iyong negosyo, sa iyong trabaho. Still you're able to overcome it because you are very positive. You're very optimistic, no? Nothing can hinders you on the way. Because you are very positive. Pinakikita mo yung kulay ng sun dyan. The color is yellow, and yellow, it means happiness, no? So, very, very positive, very high vibrational. And because you are that high vibrational emotion there, being so happy, you also attract high vibrational circumstances like having successful career, overcome situation. You're very confident, and you attract good luck, no, projected by the universe in response. And the next is the world. Pangatlong arcana card na ito, ha. Pangatlong arcana card, this is number 21. Itaya mo rin sa loto or sa lasto ito. The world, 21. 21. I think this is positive. Wow, ang ganda. A great cycle is nearing its conclusion or has already found its end. Life needs new beginnings and conclusions, and you must take stock of the past and use its energy to immerse yourself in the future. What a new paradigm do you want to experience? In which direction will your world go? And in which horizon of consciousness will you walk? Everything is possible for those who are willing to choose. Okay. So, itong the world, may kinalaman ito sa pagbabago. Pagbabago ng takbo ng buhay, pagbabago ng kapalaran, or pagkakaroon ng panibagong simula. Whether you like it or not, change is the only constant in this world. So, pabago-bago talaga yung takbo ng buhay. So, ikaw ito ngayon, yung sinasabi dito na ma-achieve mo yung panibagong simula kung willing ka talagang magbago din. Okay? Kung kaya mong baguhin ang narratives, yung meron ka talagang willingness na baguhin mo yung pamamaraan mo, yung realidad mo, kung kaya mo yung baguhin, then definitely magkakaroon ka ng panibagong simula, panibagong takbo ng iyong kapalaran sa buhay. Okay? Kung nakikita mo, nakahubad siya, so ibig sabihin, magbabago siya ng anyo. Parang double confirmation itong hubad na babae dito sa nakahubad na bata. Okay? Sumasakay yung nakahubad na bata sa kabayo. So, ibig sabihin, kung kaya niyang baguhin ang kanyang sarili sa pamagitan ng kanyang pag-iisip, babaguhin niya yung kanyang perspektibo sa buhay, mababago ang kanyang realidad. So definitely, tatakbo itong kabayo ito papunta doon sa new world, no? The world, panibagong mundo, panibagong simula. Okay? And with that, dito tayo sa pangatlong pile. Okay, ang pangatlong card mula sa Lyseer Tarot deck is the Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords is one of the intellectual air energy. Masyadong maraming swords dito sa reading na to kasi meron kang Queen of Swords, Ano pa ba? Okay. Ito. This is Ace of Swords. Parang sinasabi dito na hindi mo matatanggap yung downloads mula sa universe. Kung nakahiga ka lang, kung nakahiga ka lang dyan, kung komportable ka lang dyan na nakahiga sa iyong kama, kailangan mong tumayo, nakaupo ng paganito. Ito, yung lotus position na pamamaraan ng pag-upo. Kasi sa posisyong ito, lalapit sa iyo ang mensahe mula sa universe. Kasi malapit lang yung hagdanan dyan sa likod mo. Papasok yan dito sa iyong isipan. Kung nakikita mo itong ilaw na to, malapit sa kanyang isipan, sa kanyang utak. Okay. Dyan. Yan ang paraan ng universe para ipahatid yung mensahe. Tapos, kaya nga, hindi mo matatanggap ang mensahe mula sa universe kung nakahiga ka na baliktad, no? Nakahiga ka. So, dapat ka, again, dapat kang bumangon, nakaupo ng paganito, para tuloy-tuloy yung pagtanggap mo ng mensahe mula sa universe. Naintindihan mo ako? Okay? So, ayan. Kung nakaupo ka ng paganito, so tuloy-tuloy yung downloads, creative, or ano tawag doon? Mental downloads. Intellectual downloads mula sa universe. Ito, kita mo tong ilaw na to. Bababa siya dito sa hagdan. Papasok dito sa iyong isipan. Okay? So, yan. Ang ganda. Next. So, wag kang magtulog-tulog, no? Na wag kang makampante sa iyong posisyon. Dapat babangon ka. Ayusin mo sarili mo. Maupo ka ng paganito. Mag-yoga ka, meditate. So, habang nag-yoga ka, nag-meditate, matatanggap mo yung creative downloads mula sa universe, no? Bababa siya at agad-agad siya papasok dyan, no? Sa iyong isipan. Next. Ito ay nangangahulugan na hindi lang yung solar plexus chakra yung aktibo sa iyo, kundi pati na rin itong sacral chakra, no? Napaka-balance. This is saying na maliliwanagan ka rin, no? You are recovering from stress, trauma, and you are now improving mentally, no? Malalagpasan mo itong mga espada na gumagambala sa iyong isipan. And ibig sabihin na overcome mo na siya. Nandito ka na sa taas. Hindi ka na nakababa na ginugulo ka ng mga espadang ito. Yan, lagpasan mo na yan. Wala ka na sa stressful na sitwasyon. Nilet go mo na lahat. Okay? Ang ganda ng mga Sagittarius. At saka ito ay the Three of Wands, itong the Three of Wands na ito is may kinalaman yan sa yung pagpaplano, no, na you are foreseeing something, no. Ang tatlong salamangka, wands, ay may kinalaman sa iyong puso, sa isip, at sa gawa, no? Tatlong wands yan. So, ikaw, you are moving, naglalakad ka naman, papunta sa dito or dito, no? Pero, yung open door talaga sa'yo is dito. So, naglalakad ka, papunta sa isang lugar na kung saan pinapaniwalaan mo at iniisip mo na ito ang tamang daan para sa'yo. Okay. You're almost there. Kasi, sinasabi dito sa the world na the cycle is closed and new doors is opening, and the new doors open for you is now your new beginning. Ang ganda. Okay. So, dito sa karma cards, ang pinakauna is planets, no? And the planet is Neptune. Wow. Yun, Neptune. Ang mensahe sa iyong kaluluwa is inspire others, no? Inspire others. Show to them that you are not really show, but just express how beautiful your soul is. And to your mental aspect is always think of preparation. Be prepared to sacrifice for. Always prepare. Just like this one. Itong babaeng ito, itong reyna na ito, kampante siya na nakaupo dyan, relax naman siya, kalmado, pero she's always prepared. She's always prepared because she has sword with her. Meron siyang boundary signs dito. Tsaka meron siyang radar or antenna dito. Detector for forthcoming conflicts around her. Parang ganun. So, always be prepared mentally. Think of preparation. And to your physical aspect is yielding is the only way. So preparation is the key to overcome the unexpected situations. At the same time, preparation is the root cause of confidence. Okay? Confidence and the only way to succeed. Next is this one, planets again, and the planet is Mercury. Oh, magkakulay sila. This is Neptune and this is Mercury. Okay. So the message here to your soul is communicate. Double confirmation ito dito sa Hierophant, no? Try to sit in a lotus position and pray to God. Pray to God. This is the only way that you're gonna communicate to the divine, and definitely the universe will respond to you using this ladder. Okay? And once you receive an intellectual download from the universe, try to analyze it mentally. And to your physical aspect is, let your mind tell how to. Yeah. Once you receive the intellectual downloads from the universe, let your mind to tell you how to do. So whatever is being told to you from the creative downloads of the universe, then do so. Okay? And next is the relationships. This is signs, no? And the sign is Libra. Libra is this is one of the zodiac signs. Okay, so the message to your soul is about relationships. Think about your good relationship to others and think of the beauty that they possess. Think of the goodness that they have for you and do it with partnership. Yeah. Be inspired to be good with the goodness that they have, no? Be inspired from them. And inspire yourself to be like them also. Ang ganda. I love it. Okay. So the message for you from the Powerful Thought Cards by Louise Hay is that you now create a wonderful new job. Wow, ang ganda naman. You now create a wonderful new job. Magkakaroon ka ng panibagong trabaho or career opportunity or business opportunity. Tapos maraming mga tao na may magandang intention sa iyo. Kung nakikita mo, yung kulay na yan is green. And green is concerned about heart chakra. And the heart chakra is double confirmation na you have a beautiful heart. So, you would also have people around you in that new job who are having beautiful heart just like you. Ang ganda naman. They accepted you as who you are as a person. Take note of the flower here. Pupunta ka sa panibagong trabaho na yan, makikita mo ang kanilang mga mata na malugod ka nilang tinatanggap at minamahal ka nila bilang katrabaho at ibibigay nila sa iyo itong bulaklak na ito, no? Na nangangahulugan na giliw ka nilang, not giliw, but hinahanga ka nila, no? Hinahanga ka nila or gusto ka nila bilang katrabaho. And affirm this to yourself. You are totally open and receptive to a wonderful new position using your creative talents and abilities. Working for and working with people. Affirm this to yourself. You love in wonderful location. You love in the wonderful location and the good earning good money. Again, affirm this to yourself. You love in the wonderful location and earning good money. Wow, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ibibigay nila sa iyo itong bulaklak na ito na nangangahulugan na tinatanggap ka nila sa panibagong trabaho. Gusto ka nilang maging katrabaho. Kung nakikita mo itong mata na to, ito ay may mata na may magandang intention para sa iyo. Okay? You open a wonderful new job. Pangalawang mensahe sa iyo. You are safe. And it is only change. Yeah, pangatlong confirmation na ito mula sa the world at saka itong the sun na magkakaroon ka talaga ng panibagong simula. At saka ito, no? Knight of Cups. Magkakaroon ka ng panibagong simula. Tatanggapin ka nila bilang bago nilang katrabaho. At, kung ano man yung mga pagbabago na nangyayari sa buhay mo, tanggapin mo yun. Kasi, safe ka talaga. Hinayaan ka lang ng universe na makakatanggap ng mga pagbabago na ito kasi gusto niya na para lang din sa ikabuti sa iyo, no? It's all for your good. It's only change, and the change is for the better. Affirm this to yourself. I cross all bridges with joy and ease. The old unfold into wonderful new experiences. And my life gets better all the time. Wow, ang ganda. I love it. So, nakahubad ka dyan kasi tinanggal mo na yung dating damit mo. Yung dating ikaw, kinalimutan mo na yung dating ikaw. Tinanggal mo na. Kinalimutan mo na. Tinanggal mo na yung mga tao, yung lugar, yung mga bagay na hindi na kasya sa iyo, hindi na nag-resonate sa iyo. At ngayon, tatanggap ka ng panibagong simula, panibagong damit na susuotin, no? Panibagong lifestyle sa buhay, no? Nag-upgrade ka. You are now unfolding into something better version of yourself. And this one, I am worth loving. Wow! Hindi lang bagong trabaho ang matatanggap mo. Siguro ang iba sa inyo, hindi sa lahat. Ang iba sa inyo ay matatagpuan na si the one, no? Sa bagong trabaho, no? Binibigyan kanila ng bulaklak, nagsisilbing admiration nila sa iyo. Bukod pa dyan, there is somebody in the group na ina-admire ka talaga beyond admiration. Okay? Ikaw ito, wini-welcome ka nila sa organisasyon na yan, sa opisina. Okay? Then there's somebody from afar siguro or na malapit lang sa'yo na hindi mo alam na hinahanga ka niya. Okay? And affirm this to yourself. I do not have to seem love. I do not have to earn love. I am lovable because I exist. Others reflect the love I have for myself. Yeah. Ang pinakamahalaga talaga sa lahat is mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo. Do not chase the love of others, but love yourself first. And when you love yourself, you attract the love of others. No, you do not chase love, but you attract love once you have abundance of love for yourself. Okay. So, ito lahat ang masasabi ko sa iyo, my dear Sagittarius. I'm happy for you. I pray for the fullness of life in the sense na ma-enjoy mo talaga yung blessings na matatanggap mo sa universe, no? Just enjoy the ride of life during downs and ups of life sa oras ng kaginawahan at sa oras ng kagipitan. Just make through, live in the moment, okay, and make the most of it. Trust the process. Trust the process, the way God leads you. Believe in the universe that you are safe, and be willing to accept the change. So, again, my dear Sagittarius, see you in the next reading. Love and light.